Market Recap is brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media. Get 10% off your subscription with the code MONEYMISSION. The JSE Combined Index lost 2,600 points last week. That's down about 1%. 121 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, June 20, 2025. 51 made gains, 57 lost value, and 13 stayed the same. 58 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $314 million. TransJam was the week's most traded stock, with 13 million shares changing hands. It started the week at $3.63. Wigton traded the second most shares. It opened Monday at $1.23, and Dollar rounded out last week's most traded stocks. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. First Rock USD was the JSE's top stock, up 31% to open the week at 2 cents US. Epley 7.5% preference shares had the second biggest gain, up 19%, and Jetcon rounded out the top stocks, up 17%. On the losing side now, medical disposables and supplies was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 19.5% to start the new week at $1.28. AS Bryden USD dipped 18% to close out the week at 16 cents US, and MFS Capital Partners fell 16%. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Trinidad and Tobago NGL was the TTSE's most traded stock. It opened Monday at $3.75 TT. Prestige Holdings was the TTSE's top gainer, up 13%. And on the losing side, Ansa Macal fell 4% to open Monday at $40.91 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones fell about 1% last week, while the S&P 500 dipped 0.5%, and the Nasdaq was mostly flat. It was a rough week for motorists at the pumps last week. The cost of 87 gas rose $3.06, while 90 was up $3.84. Meanwhile, diesel prices climbed $4.50. In foreign exchange trading, it took an average $160.93 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's $1.06 more than the week before. $1 Canadian cost on average $117.96 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $216.32 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $185.15 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell 3% over the past 5 days, trading at $101,267 on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum fell 11%, trading at $2,235 on Monday. Market Recap was brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media.